Gunner! Come here, pretty boy. Hey! This is my little boy Gunner. And he's a dappled miniature dachshund, and I think he is the cutest thing in the world. But I know that there are other dogs out there that are absolutely adorable. But this is my boy. And I got another one around here somewhere. I'll see if I can call her. Belle! Come here, girl! Belle, Belle! Here she comes. Come here, Belle! There you are. Come here. There they are. There's Belle. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Got her out of bed. Hi, sweeties. Hi, Belle. Belle's busy itching. Hi. Oh, yes, hello. Both y'all are demanding attention. Come here. Hi, sweeties. And that's my puppies.